Hello everyone. Today we will learn that how to take attendance in a Google Meet class if many students are there for attending your class, and how to use Jamboard. Two three issues like this we are going to discuss in today's video. Let's start. Here you can see that I have started a video already here, and right now only one people is there, that's me, that is connected with this meeting. Here this option you can see in my browser's tab, extensions. When I click on this, you can see here one extension that is called Meet Attendance that I have installed. This is the most important feature while taking the class using the Google Meet. Now how it can be installed? Now let's see. Here I have already opened in Google. Just type Meet Attendance extension. When you type this very first link will open. Open this link. Already I have opened this link. This window will open after clicking on that first link. When you click on that link, this page will open, and here you can see remove from Chrome. Means already I have installed this link in my Chrome, and if you will try this for very first time, here it will show, instead of this it will show add extension, right? So this is how we can add this Meet Attendance feature in Google Meet. Done. When you will install this, then automatically with from these extensions you can see this. और अगर मेरे टैब में this tool is not available, then how you can see? Here show everyone. When you click on this, you can see. Generally when you are taking any Google Meet meeting or attending any meeting, this option you never see, this one. This feature appears only after adding the extension of Meet Attendance, right? This option already we see, usually this option we see, but this we never see, right? Now from my another phone I am joining this meeting. Just it will take 1 or 2 seconds. Yes, one more person is attended, right? Now two people are there. I'm just putting another phone on silent. Now suppose as many students we want to join in the meeting, they have joined, and now I want to take the attendance. Then what to do? After adding that Meet Attendance feature, you will go to this show everyone option, and as I have already shown you, this feature will be automatically appear. Just click on this button, and a Google spreadsheet that automatically appears in front of you, as I have already downloaded. Here you can see, look, two people are joined this meeting. I left in between the meeting at this time, again I joined the meeting. So means minute to minute at what time the person left, at what time the person rejoined the meeting, means each and every detail that will be available in this Google spreadsheet. We can easily download it. Just click on file, and from download, whether you want to download it as an Excel sheet, as a PDF document, whatever the type you want to select, from here we can download. This is how the attendance in a Google Meet meeting can be taken. Now second option is that how to use a whiteboard, or if any of the teacher want to use the whiteboard in this Google Meet, here we can use the Jamboard, that is called Google Jamboard. How we can use that? Here I have already opened it. Just type jamboard.google.com. When you type this in your address bar and just press enter, this same window will open, and this plus symbol is there. Click on this plus symbol. When you click on this, a new clean whiteboard will be available for you to use. For the meanwhile it gets opened, let's move to Meet. As today my net speed is little bit slow, that's why it may take 1 or 2 more seconds. Let's discuss one or more feature. If in a meeting more than one or more than two people are hosting or they want to present their topic, then what to do? In a Google Meet meeting, there is not any option like Zoom. There an option was available for creating a co-host, but here what we can do, here we can see three dots. When you click on this three dot, this change layout option will appear. From here you can click on tiled layout. When you click on this tiled layout, right now as only one person is connected here, that's why it's not visible. But if many people are connected here, then what can be done? Only the four most active people or whosoever is presenting at that time, whosoever is speaking or active at that time, that will be visible at the top in the screen. But that will be done only through the this option, change layout and tiled. Now I have already told you that jamboard.google.com. As my net speed was very slow, that's why we have just clicked on the plus sign. After clicking on that plus sign, this white screen appears in front of you. Right? Now, how it will be used? The simple method, the easiest method is present now. Just present your screen and in the side tab keep this Jamboard opened. Then present your screen. As you can see right now, I have clicked on present now and I am presenting a Chrome tab, because in one of the Chrome tab I have opened my Jamboard. Right? Click on a Chrome tab. Here whatever you have kept open, that everything will be visible, but I want to open what? The Jamboard. Here this one, and click on share. Now to every participant of your meeting, this screen will be visible. Whatever you will do here, like this is the marker here, whatever you want to do, but here the perfect handling of mouse is required, right? And if you want to do something in type, this is for erasing. Simple tools are there. And these are the sticky notes, means in typing if something you want to show to your participants, that can be done, right? Whatever, this can be deleted. Just click on this and press del from the keyboard. Any image you want to insert here and detail that, that can be done, right? Here all these tools are there for working on this whiteboard. If any specific thing is required to be done on whiteboard, preferably then only it should be used. Otherwise presenting everything through your PPT is the best way in Google Meet. Now when you have done with this whiteboard, then here you can see stop, means until you click on stop, the same screen, means not same screen, same tab, this Jamboard tab will be visible to all the participants. Now let me click on this stop. This is now not visible to the participant. Now get back to your meet. Right? This is how we can take attendance in Google Meet. We can download that attendance in the form of spreadsheet, as we have seen here, at what time one participant has left, when he rejoined, when again left. Every participant's detail will be available with timings, right? We have learnt using the whiteboard, and that's it for now. Thank you.